Hi, to activate Hotspot on your Xiaomi MiMix Flip, you'll need to go in the settings first. Here, select more connectivity options and go in the portable hotspot section. So first thing we can do is to enable it by tapping on the switcher, so now it's on, and after that we can also customize its setting. Let's go in the setup portable hotspot, and here we can check our current password and we can change it. We can rename the hotspot here itself, and here in the security you can switch to the second option or just leave the first one. In this device you can select portable hotspot or default. I suggest you to select portable hotspot, and also you can switch from 2.4 GHz to 5 GHz, and also you can select to hide its name like that. And after that, you need to save the changes by simply pressing this check mark. And also we got here this cool option, share QR code. So another person which want to connect to your network will be able to simply scan this QR code and connect to your phone's network immediately, just like this. Here in the one-time data limit, we can enable it. So we need to turn off Wi-Fi first, and here we'll be able to select size and when exceeded. And after that, we can enable the cool feature turn off hotspot automatically. I suggest you to enable it so the battery won't be drained quickly. And we got here a few settings left, but we discussed everything we need to use hotspot. So, to reach this feature easily, you can simply swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center, and here find this chain icon which is for hotspot. When it's blue, it is enabled, and when it's gray like others, it is disabled. Now let's talk about how to use it. For that, I'm gonna take my other device, open settings, go in the Wi-Fi, and here I need to find Xiaomi MiMix Flip from the list of available networks. So I'm gonna tap it, and I would need to enter the password for this network, and after that I'm gonna tap the button join, and I would be connected to this Xiaomi MiMix Flip network. So that's it, how it works. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.